Hello everybody, welcome back to RoadTripCentral. You are now in our new 2015 Grand Cherokee SRT. I guess it's not exactly new, 7 years old, but it's new to me. This is to replace our Focus ST. Yes, the Focus ST is gone. I've had it for 5.5 years and I will absolutely miss it. It was a fantastic car. But this is a fantastic SUV. This will meet our needs for the foreseeable future. It has a bit more space, it has a fair bit more power, and the interior is just, it's a nicer car overall, I'd probably say. As you can see, it has the peanut butter interior. I think Jeep calls it Laguna leather, and the exterior is black with some metallic flake in it. I can't remember what Jeep calls that one, but it's a great car. I have some things that I want to take care of on it, specifically cosmetic issues on the outside of the car, and I'd like to make some videos about those things and how to take care of some of those. Watch the channel, there will be more stuff coming out on that. Regarding the channel and more material coming out, I did want to see what you guys think I should do for our next video. So right now I have 2 videos in mind. One would be a video review on the Evo. I have done a video featuring it, but it wasn't a true review of it. And then one would be a video review of this car. So let me know which one of those you'd like me to do, or if you'd prefer, I can do a tutorial video on best practices and some tips and tricks and secrets that I've learned over the years as far as getting yourself the best rental car for your dollar. So between those 3 videos, the Evo review, the SRT review, and the tips and tricks for renting a vehicle, which of those 3 would you like to see next? I want you to let me know down in the comments. I want to see what you guys are wanting to see. So thank you guys for checking in on me. Thanks for checking in on the Jeep. I look forward to showing you guys some more of this vehicle because it is awesome. I really do love these. Alright, until next time, I'll see you guys.